ProShop, we're back again, taking care of businesses around the world. Paul, I've seen you over in Australia, but today we're in Louisiana with my friends at Coastal Machine and my buddy Beno. Good to see you, buddy. How are you?
Good to see you. Good. Great.
So I like to talk ProShop. It always makes me excited because every customer I talk to they get really hyped up. They start to glow. Their eyes start to sparkle because of all the changes that have been made internally, especially when it comes to getting certain certificates or approvals from very difficult industry organizations that don't often just hand them out, right?
Right.
So let's talk a little bit about what ProShop has brought to you here at Coastal Machine.
ProShop has changed the way we do things drastically. You know, we don't have paper routers on the floor anymore. Getting wet with coolant, everything's on the computer. We have computers at each machine. Machinists have all the access they need to drawings, dimensional sheets, setup sheets. Everything's in ProShop. Our schedule, it's a great ERP system.
Were you here by chance pre-ProShop?
Yes.
I think we should make that a hashtag, by the way.
Yeah.
Pre-ProShop.
Yeah.
And what it was. So, coming from a machine shop background, I've had complications, man. I got to breathe. Guys, I got to breathe sometimes when I have flashbacks to what it was. But this paper that would come to me that would have been wet from coolant, then dried, and then smeared, and I couldn't read half of it. I needed a new print, or it got lost, and I never got it. And I start to get anxiety thinking about it.
Right.
What was pre-ProShop like, and what are some of the changes that were made since adapting it?
Pre-ProShop was paper everywhere. Oil handprints on dimensional sheets. Now everything's computerized. It's a click of a button and everything's at your hands. Everything's there that's needed.
Yeah, and all of these guys on the machines, I know you said that already, having a monitor and knowing, not guessing or not needing to walk and check your Fitbit every single day to see how many steps you've taken, but having it right there and knowing the information in front of you of utmost importance, isn't it?
Right. Most of our machines have two monitors. So the machinist is able to keep the drawing up and dimensional sheets or other information on the other monitor. It's just, it makes work very easy for a machinist.
When it comes to, let's say, quoting, efficiency, understanding lead times for jobs coming in, jobs going out, and let's talk about even some certifications that maybe have been approved over the last couple of years. Thanks to ProShop, what are some of the efficiency changes that help us truly understand this shop a bit better for anyone you're going to work with? So
it helps. ProShop helps our sales department. They have their schedule at their hands. They don't have to go and search, or we have long meetings, figure out what's our lead times. So we're able to get a quote out to our customers more efficiently in a timely manner. Instead of having a meeting about it, it's there. The schedule's there, it's in ProShop, and we're just able to be more efficient from start to finish with it.
I think there's a little code called 9100 with a couple of letters in front of it as well.
Yes.
Did you guys get approved for that, and how easy was it?
We did. It made getting approval very easy. Everything, the auditor came in, stayed in the conference room majority of his time here, and loved seeing it on the screen. Yes, but everything was there. Everything was there at the click of a button. We were able to pull it up very efficiently and show him what he needed to see very quickly. We didn't have to go into a filing cabinet, start looking for files, pulling paper files. It was all there, saved in ProShop digitally.
Comfort zone, have you heard of that?
Yes.
Yes, and they say it's a great place to stay, but nothing grows there. So my segue from that, Beno, is would you say that this is somewhat or very user-friendly for people out there who are just attached to paper? There's folks still out there that love their paper, right?
Yes.
But I think it's often because change is hard. Leaving the comfort zone can sometimes be hard, but as you adapt, how easy is it really to make that transformation?
It's very easy. We have older machinists here that started out running manual machines. Everything they did was on paper, and they've all adapted to it very easy. It's very user-friendly. There's always more than one way to get to where you need to go. So everyone has their own different way, but it's very user-friendly.
You know, I could keep talking to you all day long, and I know how much you love the camera.
Yes.
I know you want to be here all day as well, right?
Right.
But we'll go ahead and end this off just by saying thank you. Coastal Machine is doing an amazing job. For anyone who's looking to work with Coastal Machine, you're now diving into the defense and aerospace world.
Right.
Although we're standing in front of these Mazaks, and I know these are being majority used for oil and gas,
Yes.
which is where you come from and thrive. You continue to expand into other areas of manufacturing, with defense and aerospace being a part of that, investing in some very expensive and very nice DMG mooring machines over there.
Right.
So how can people who want to work with you and support Coastal Machine find you? What's your website? Maybe your home address. I think maybe your social security number, your personal cell phone. You got all that
we
for
can
these
throw
guys,
it all
right?
out there. That's right. We're located in Carrico, Louisiana. CoastalMachineSupply.com.
That's perfect. And for those of you out there, 2004 was a start, and these guys started in 3,500 square feet, now in over 35,000 square feet, with millions of dollars in machines, millions of dollars in technology, and supporting the community as well. Type of people you want to reach out to for high quality parts. They've invested in themselves so they can invest in you as well. ProShop being one of those key factors to help communicate with you and help us all understand how the shop is running more smoothly and with less paper, obviously. Beno, thank you so much for your time.
Thank you very much. Appreciate you.
Absolutely. Appreciate you too, my friend. And thank you all for watching. We'll see you again soon.